Ecosource's Sustainable Peel Education and Action for Change project enables Peel residents to connect with their natural environment and to take concrete actions to create more sustainable neighborhoods. Our goal is to engage people of all ages in creative opportunities to reimagine, design, and install demonstration projects that address local environmental issues. We believe in empowering community members to invest in long-term environmental solutions, starting in their neighborhoods and working with their local environment. Ecosource partnered with Earnscliffe Senior Public School in Brampton to bring their vision of the Earnscliffe Legacy Garden to life. Wanting to connect the school with the surrounding neighborhoods, we worked collaboratively to install 4 garden beds that were co-created with the Earnscliffe student, staff, and parent community.
We start everything here at Earnscliffe with a conversation of what would be awesome.
We were the ones that were engaging the community in trying to plan which plants we were going to be including in our gardens. We had to figure out how do we harvest these, when do they get harvested, what tools do we need.
We wanted to have something that was going to be public, wanted something that was going to connect our school and our community and expand our footprint as a school.
We wanted to represent 4 realms of community, the first one representing Earnscliffe. And in order to determine the plants that we wanted in there, we surveyed the community and really got their input to make sure that was representative of our school community and our students. Next, we wanted to represent Brampton, and we looked at Brampton being the flower city, and we wanted to get local plants that would represent that. Next, we moved on to Ontario, and we thought about representing Ontario produce. And then we looked at a Canada plot where we wanted to involve our Indigenous roots, and we've looked at engaging other parts of the community to come in to better connect to the Indigenous plot.
The Legacy Garden is almost a microcosm of what we're trying to accomplish as a school at large. Everything that we do, we want things to be sustainable, we want it to be focused around learning, and this was a great piece in order to make that happen.
We came here on a Saturday morning, we saw this big pile of dirt, and then next thing you know, we got into getting the fences and everything, and we built this.
This garden project, it contributes to the society and increases biodiversity.
It helps the ecosystems because bees come and pollinate.
Thinking about our ecosystems and everything more and being more proactive around it.
I got involved with the Eco Club because I wanted to help the environment, add more greenery.
I really like planting and getting my hands in dirt.
I learned how the different plants and flowers help the environment.
It's pretty incredible just to see with the amount of hard work students and teachers put into it, to see what we can all do in just a year.
It's been great to see the kids out here and to see how this garden has morphed over time.
To have these kids come out and start from the very beginning, start the planning all the way to actually having the garden here and taking care of it every day, harvesting the food, using it, I think it's given them a lot of leadership.
When I think about sustainability education, I think about legacy, and that's the very root of the garden. We have some of our graduated students coming back to say, I feel like I left a mark on Earnscliffe. And for them to come back and say that means that it's meaningful and means that we've done something good, and they see it and they feel it, and they'll keep it going long after we're gone.
We want our community who walks past this every day to know that this is part of what they've been able to contribute to our school as well. And in that way, we're really looking at ourselves as a part of one larger community. And that's really part of our goal.